Hello everybody, this is CJ Wilson, Firkins Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram. I just took in this beautiful 2017 Dodge Durango Citadel all-wheel drive. This one is loaded up with all the toys. It does have the pre-collision system and adaptive cruise. Has this really nice accented pinstripe on the vehicle as well. It does have the sunroof. And then looking inside here, full leather seating, heated and cooled ventilated seats up front. Does have the Beats audio as well as the memory seating for driver 1, driver 2. But it does have the 8.4 inch system with navigation, obviously. But super clean vehicle. Take a look at the back. Second row is actually heated, and you do have the power outlet with the rear AC vents, and then does have the dual DVD headrest as well. And then you have the dual captain's seats in the back. And then this one is also equipped with the third row as well, so you can take a look at that. But again, super clean vehicle. This vehicle looks like it just came off the showroom floor, so previously maintained very well by its previous owner. So to find out more about this vehicle and others like it, you can contact me, CJ Wilson, at 941-704-3169, or you can visit our website at www.firkinscj.com, and we'll see you soon.